Hi everyone, Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce Coffee Reviews. And as usual, I'm joined by my husband Rick. Hello, my husband Rick.
Hello. I had a serious brain cramp.
Oh, great.
I'm wearing a green shirt patterned on here. So it's going to be coffee beans all over me because of the green screen. So anyways.
Could you maybe just turn it around?
Well, then I'll be facing that way.
Whatever.
Anyhow, it's good enough. These folks will know. What's going on?
Don't you think that'll be irritating?
No, I don't know. Let's go.
Okay, so today we are reviewing a brand that isn't quite normally what our purpose has been up until today. But I've been doing some baking that's called for coffee. So most recipes ask for instant coffee versus brewed or like an espresso shot. And I've been doing the brewed, the espresso shots, or extra finely ground coffee beans. So today I thought, because my husband loved last week's sour cream coffee cake so very much.
I didn't get much of it though. We gave a lot of it away.
Well, it was pretty huge.
Yeah,
pretty huge.
I don't plan on being quite as charitable this time.
So he was crying like a baby.
Because I'm working on getting to be pretty huge.
Yes.
As I like to call it, I'm hitting max density.
Time to back away from the coffee cake.
We'll see.
All right. So we are sampling Starbucks via instant coffees. So I have 4 different ones to try. And let's see how they taste.
All right.
What's your prediction?
$6, $6, $6.
Actually, it was $5, $5, $5.
No, that's the pizza commercial.
$5 is back at Pizza Hut. Get a second, third, and fourth medium pizza for just $5, $5.
All right, so you know what? I'm not going to use the spoon thing. I'm just going to take
Here's your spoon. So you're trying their house blend.
It's okay.
Lively with a bunch of roasty sweetness.
Yeah, it's definitely roasty. It's there's some bitterness at the back end of the palate on that one. It's not bad, but it's got a bit of a bitter aftertaste.
Well, did you know that their coffee is part instant and part, what do they call it, micro-ground coffee?
No, what does that mean?
Well, micro-ground I think would be micro-ground coffee beans.
Okay.
Mixed in with some instant coffee.
So what's instant coffee if it's not super ground coffee?
Oh no.
Oh no, I've asked you the science.
Well, it's like some of it's like freeze-dried.
Okay. But it's still coffee. That's ground fine. Right?
Instant coffee?
Yeah. It's just finely ground coffee, isn't it?
I don't believe so.
Well, unless you're drinking that lion's mane crap. Mushroom stuff.
Oh boy.
Oh, we've got her, folks. We've got her on the ropes. Got her on the ropes. Oh, do you have a phone to Google it?
Well, you can Google it.
No, I'm not Googling it. I asked you the question.
I'm gonna leave.
I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna take my cake and leave. Okay, let's Google that. Entertain yourself for a moment. Instant coffee is a type of coffee made from dried coffee extract. Similarly to how regular coffee is brewed, the extract is made by brewing ground coffee beans, although it's more concentrated. There are two main ways of making instant coffee: spray drying and freeze drying. So they brew the coffee. Mm-hmm. I did not know that. Mm-hmm. I just thought it was ground coffee.
No.
So
that's why I was saying it's instant and micro ground coffee to save myself. I hate being wrong. Right, honey? Am I wrong?
No.
Was I wrong? Yes.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm going for this. What did you think of that one?
This one is a bit on the dark side. It says medium. However, when I poured it out, it was definitely dark looking.
Yeah, it's definitely leaning to a dark roast to me. Mm-hmm. And it has a fair bit of bitterness on the back of the tongue.
Yeah. It has definite coffee bean dark roast.
This one is much more mild. Like, never mind the spoon thing. Just take a swig of it. I think that's a good way. To me, between the two, this is a lighter coffee for sure.
Oh, for sure.
Way
Holy
lighter.
smokes. Very light.
Very easy to drink.
Yes. Almost fruity.
Sure, we'll go with that.
Almost fruity. Has that...
Apparently, it took more than 80 tries to get our latest roast just right. Well, if this is their, would they say this was their medium roast? This needs probably 81. This one, if 80 or whatever didn't do it. This was actually pretty good. You know, as far as like a medium, it's very drinkable. Mm-hmm. What do you got there?
So this is their Colombian, and it is balanced nutty with a juicy mouthful.
Different aroma to it. Yeah. I like this one still. It's got a different aroma to it.
I like this better than their house blend, for sure.
Oh yeah, like this one here to me is not a real good one.
This has more flavor than the blonde without being bitter or over roasted. Mm-hmm. Like it doesn't have that burnt sort of over toasted.
Let's go into this one.
Yeah.
There's just really different notes, like that one there, and then this one here. Just a very different aromatic to it. It doesn't smell like coffee to me. It's funny. It just doesn't smell like coffee. Different again from that. I would probably I would go with this one, then I would go to this one, then I go to that one. Smell it. There's a different aromatic with it. It doesn't really smell like coffee to me.
This one?
Well, neither of them. They don't. They don't. Like, I mean, this one smells like coffee. Those ones don't smell like coffee to me for some reason.
Huh.
Thoughts? Are you going to drink the whole cup before you give us your thoughts?
It's their Pike Place. It's very mellow. I would say it's mellow.
But it's not an issue of mellow. It just doesn't taste like coffee.
Okay. I think I know what you mean. Because it is not...
It's not
super
flavorful. It doesn't have that sort of coffee body flavor to it to me. This one here, I would drink this one. This True North. If you were asking me which of the four would I go and buy if I was looking for an instant, I would actually buy this one.
Okay. I have some cream here. Want to try it with some cream?
No, thank you. My father would be like
Why?
turning over in his grave if he saw me putting just black coffee with some cream in it. Like, what are you doing? No, it's okay. Go ahead, you try it.
Pardon me. You can edit that out.
Excuse my boarding house
You can
reach.
edit that out.
So, this is the cake.
That you want to get into.
I do. It's very, very crumbly.
Yeah, it's falling apart. What's going on? So this recipe I modified from the coffee cake from last week.
Right?
Which is just a regular sour cream coffee cake. Actually, it isn't very regular. It is very good.
It was exceptional.
Awesome.
That was
it
like...
was awesome. So, Ina Gardens. Did I mess that up
No,
too?
you didn't, but every time I hear Ina Garten, I always want to start singing Inagata Davida.
What?
Inagata Davida. Music. Music, I love you, music. Apparently, Inagata Davida was a classic song from this late 60s.
All right. So to continue on, this is the same recipe. However, I added half a cup of cocoa powder and I took almost half a cup of the flour out. And in the center layer, I added some white chocolate chips.
Hey JB, if you're watching this, which I know you do every week, this one's for you, buddy. I'll take a hit for you there. This is gonna be good, I'm sure. I could smell it being baked in the oven. I was just like, oh wow. Yeah, this is good. We'll be right back.
Is it good? How good is it?
Very good.
Can you taste the sour cream in it?
No, no. But you know what? You really shouldn't taste the sour cream. It's a silent ingredient, right?
Yes. Do you taste any coffee in it this time? So for the crumble, I put a packet of the Via instant coffee in the crumble. Just in the crumble.
That's a whole on there. That's a whole packet.
Yes, in the 2 layers.
You trying to kill me?
Just one packet for both layers.
And how many cups of coffee out of one of these? 8 sachets.
No. 1 packet.
Yeah, 1 packet.
1 packet.
That would be a sachet.
That's not a packet.
8 sachets right here. This is a packet. I'm eating my cake.
Oh my
Goodness.
I just want to try this cake, honey.
Very good. Very good. Awesome job. $6. If I was going to say to you, this one here's the winner, for my opinion. The Blonde Roast True North. It's a good blend. If you're looking for a really mild coffee that doesn't have a whole lot of there's not a whole lot of flavor characteristics to it per se. It's just kind of a nice bright coffee. You're not getting a lot of the roasts and the different notes to it. But to me, did you ruin it? You put milk in all of them? You left. Oh man, that's it. We're done.
I don't understand.
You put milk in all 3 of those. You didn't leave me the True North one.
I got a whole bunch of those. I can make
A whole bunch of
fresh
what?
one. Sachets.
No, a sachet is a fancy walk you do. It's a sachet. Anyhow, folks, thank you very much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for all your work and effort.
Why, you're welcome.
And listen, please give the video a like. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Our subscriber base is growing nicely. Thank you very much to everybody who's supporting us. We really appreciate it. Love you guys very much. Keep on doing it. We've got to get this channel growing here. And don't forget to visit our store, groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca if you're in Canada, and groundsfordivorcecoffee.store if you're in the US or international. Lots of great stuff in there you can order. Thank you very much.
And thank you.
Catch you guys next week. Have a good one.
Ciao, ciao.